All right, you know, when it's cold outside like this, you kind of turn on the water and, you know, you're waiting for it to heat up. But in this morning's Made in the Valley, a foothill business is helping people conserve water during our drought.
Yeah, they're called High Sierra Showerheads, and they're gaining popularity across the country and in some major businesses. Action News reporter Amanda Venegas joins us live from the company's headquarters to show us how they make it all work. Good morning, Amanda.
Hey, good morning, Margot and Jason. You know, I almost feel like taking a shower right now since I'm this close, but take a look. This is the technology that allows you to get that shower, but using less water. How can it be so? Well, this foothill company right here, High Sierra Showerhead, has created something that people all around the world are buying. And David Malcolm, you're joining us now. Tell us a little bit about your creation.
Well, it's our own design of shower heads, and it's very unique in the shower head industry in that it uses just a single orifice and explodes a very low-pressure stream of water into a spray of large droplets. And that's the key component, is that the large droplets makes it feel like more water.
How much water can you save?
Well, with our 1.5 gallon a minute shower head, you can save at least 40%. Not only the amount of water, but also the cost to heat the water as well. And so the payback period on a shower head like this is just a couple of months for the average person.
Yeah, and how many shower heads do you guys assemble here? This morning we're assembling these shower heads. Where are they going?
Well, these particular shower heads are going to be going to Amazon. We sell our shower heads on Amazon. We also have a website, and the entire selection of everything that we make is on the website. And this year we're going to sell about 10,000 shower heads.
Wow. And so we have people that are doing this all by hand, assembling these. Some of these parts are also made in the valley too.
Right. They are made here in the valley. Almost all of the metal parts come from Merced Screw Company, and the plastic parts are coming out of Santa Monica. So it's a product that's almost entirely made here in California. We do the final assembly here, and we ship it to the customers.
Yeah. How far away are some people using these when they're waking up taking a shower? Not just in Fresno, not just in California.
No. It's all over the country, and even outside the country. But up until the drought, the majority of our customers were actually on the East Coast. And it's because water, even though it's abundant, it's fresh, clean water is scarce. And it's expensive, and the cost to heat it is expensive. And so most of our customers were on the East Coast. But since this devastating drought here in California, most of our sales are here in California now.
And really quickly, why are you so passionate about this?
Because we're saving a very scarce resource. There isn't a whole lot of, and that's fresh, clean water.
Thanks so much, David. Great to see your passion here, and great to see people in the valley actually working here. And Margot and Jason, I don't know about you, but this is a nice shower. It's enticing me to take a shower this morning, but I already did. So great to see something like this that's made right here in the valley. Back to you guys in the studio.
What a great, putting two ideas together, of course, saving water, and then we'll enjoy a nice hot shower.
Yeah.
Oh, let me tell you. And by the way, who doesn't want a nice hot shower, especially on a day like today? Feels good. But they also make these nozzles in different colors. So, Margot, they make one in pink, just in case you're curious.
Oh, this is good to know. All right. Amanda, thank you.
All right, Amanda, thanks. We'll check with you tomorrow.